This video is brought to you by Patreon supporters like you. Thank you.
What up, guys? So we are back at it again. We are actually going to do some back to school shopping, and we are on our way to Long Island because we're gonna go to a different mall out there to see if they got anything different or whatever. And I got my driver.
How do I always end up driving?
He don't always end up driving. I'm the one that's always driving, because if you look in all our videos, I'm in the driver's seat. And we got Karen with us today and my two little pumpkins. And that's it. So we out here, out and about, and go and see what happens. Go and spend a little bit of money.
We just made it to the mall, so we're about to go inside. We're gonna go to quite a few stores here inside the mall, and there's other stores outside the mall that we're gonna go to. So this is it. This is in Queens, Long Island, right? No,
Long Island.
Long Island, New York.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
All right, so we made a quick stop in GameStop right now, so we're just checking out some games that they got in here.
Nobody said you wanted it. I'm just showing it to you.
Alright, y'all ready to step out of here?
You brung us in here.
You want to get Fortnite?
I know, because Jake wanted to come in here. Alright, so now we're at, what's this? Foot Action? This is Foot Action, right? Foot Action?
Yes. Sure.
Let's see if we can grab some sneakers here.
We'll check the other store first before you pick.
Why?
I like this one.
All right, all
So
right.
you like that one? Get him back.
Yeah, the blue laces too.
Stand up.
Oh, it even comes with blue laces.
Alright, so those are her sneakers. She picked those out. What are these, Nikes?
Mm-hmm.
She got those. And he got his blue ones. Let me see. He had to go to a different store that didn't have the other place that didn't have the right size.
And Jake, we could put the
So
blue.
he got these Adidas.
Jake, we could put your
The blue laces.
blue laces on it.
Alright, next store.
And he's gonna match perfect because his uniform is blue, light blue, dark blue, and blue pants. Shit is popping.
That's good for rain.
I know,
jacket.
that's I can use it for work. And it's see-through, so they can't really tell my shit.
Alright, so this is the next store. We're at Target. And we're, of course, at the toy section.
I achieved my daily walking 6,000
steps for the first time?
6,000 steps.
Wow. How far have you gone? Alright, so this is the next place, which is Home Depot. Grabbing a couple of things here. Thinking about going to another pet store, but it's in Jericho, New York. I don't know. Probably end up going over there.
They don't have the slabs here?
Alright, so we decided to go to this pet store that we just actually found, stumbled across as we were driving. Over here, it looks like the name at the other store, right?
Yeah.
It actually sells like dogs and stuff.
No!
Oh, you want to come home with me?
Look at that.
Oh, but that's the dancing
That's the one I want.
Hi.
Look, the dancing one.
The dancing one.
Jake is not.
Let me see that one. Alright, you're melting. Jake, look at this one. Right here.
Like it. Oh, hi. Hi.
white one or the brown one?
Dad, do you want to come in?
No, I don't want to come in. Is it
You don't want to
closed?
pet it?
So small.
No.
There's like a little walk here. It's so beautiful.
When you took him out, he looks bigger than when he wasn't there.
You like toy? Are you kissing me? Are you kissing me?
I don't want it. Do you want to get out? Don't.
Mom,
Put it. No, this one here. I'll play with it. He's gonna go for my laces again. Let me just. Come here.
That is not my toy. This is not a toy.
I gave him my slipper. All right. You slobbered up my shoe now.
He's like, give me the slipper. He's like, give me the slipper back.
Come here, baby.
You know damn well you would love it. What's your
Then
favorite?
after this, can I look at my white dog? Are you a girl or boy? Let me see. You, girl.
That's a girl, so I can't name it Humphrey. Reader hate till it gets used to you. Huskies are very energetic. They're very energetic and they don't listen.
Not this one. This one got winged eyeliner.
So we stopped by Party City, and look at this big giant gumball machine. Well, these are like toys, I guess. It's got our Kenyan.
Oh, the money. I'm rich.
Rich.
Money.
All day stores, constantly. I thought we were gonna go to maybe 2 stores, but ended up going to like 1,000 of them. All right, so we just got home, and now we're just unpacking stuff. And right now, I'm just messing around with this little dresser thingy. Not a dresser, it's kind of a night table or whatever. Got 2 of those. And they're just messing around with this, with these things, like this toy. And I don't know what she's doing.
I'm just getting everything organized. That's what I'm doing.
And they're just playing with their phones as usual. That's all they do. Play with phones. So right now, I'm about to go to bed. I put one of the nightstands together. It's already getting really late, so I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and I'm about to go to bed. So guys, if you haven't done so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you guys want to support us and on Patreon, go ahead and check out our Patreon. We have exclusive videos and photos there. You can check that out if you want. And peace out. Latest.